Data centers play a crucial role in our society, housing both personal and corporate data, everything from bank account info to mass media storage. In the event of a power outage, data centers have backup generators on hand to provide power. However, these generators take some time to come online, and if centers experience operational interruptions, the consequences can be catastrophic, potentially suspending access of foundational internet architecture. Backup of the data centers is handled by advanced UPS battery systems, mainly lead and lithium technologies. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and Apple depend on lead batteries to provide extra security to data center operation. Lead batteries provide a safe, cost-effective, and reliable solution, and millions of lead batteries are installed every year to help provide fast energy while generators come online.